If you have an air fryer and at times you are frustrated of having to clean the tray and basket all the time, then grab yourselves one of these. This is a silicone basket, primarily used for air fryers, and I'm sure they come in different sizes to fit in your air fryer too. Simply place it in. Now for this particular air fryer, it may stop the crisper tray of doing its job to circulate the air so the food can cook all over, but not to worry guys, after half time you're going to turn off the food anyway, so it will cook all over. Add your food, you can spray some oil if you wish, and start cooking. Check that out guys, looking good. Tried it many times and it cooks all over nicely. When it comes to washing, dab the oil off with a kitchen towel tissue and wash away. Easy to use, less cleaning, saves a lot of time too. Take care, peace.